it's the same with headphones or speakers. Once you figured out the right frequency, when you get used to it, it doesn't matter what kind of speaker or headphones you have. When you will producing with the same headphones for 3 years, or you will know exactly how it needs to sound.
I have a series on my YouTube channel called 5 Things Producers Need to Know. So, Aney F, I thought I'd get you on this series and ask you your 5 things producers need to know. So give me the number 1. Let's go for this.
It's a little bit difficult, but I'll do just basic ones. What is important for me? Like the first thing is maybe to be organized, which I became just recently, a couple of years ago. I struggled with this for years, but now I see when you are organized, when you group channels, when you color channels, then all the process of the making music became much faster and it's much easier. And then when you mix the tracks, you're looking for specific sounds. You exactly know where they are. So this is the first thing. Be organized, color the channels, group the channels. It will help you a lot for sure.
That's really cool. We've not had that before for a while. That's wicked.
The second thing is, again, really basic, to try to make music in key and harmony. If you don't have music school, you don't know how to play piano, blah, blah, blah. For example, the new Ableton 10 have a new option scale, which is pretty good. You just choose the key and you color you the right keys, the right notes. It's really helpful. Once you are starting to do music in key, the things start to opening much more clearly. That's the second thing. The third thing is to have as I said before, you don't need big studio, big equipment, but it's good to have at least a good monitors or a good headphones. This is a must. And if it's possible, maybe also like a middle range sound card, just to give that extra punch on the production and processing. I have Focusrite Claret 8 Pro. It's around, I think, $1,000, something like that. But I bought this because of other equipment like TR stuff for the live. So there is a lot of other.
And then what speakers do you have? You said you had Adam.
And Adam 7 speakers. Yeah, I tried Kirk, I tried Yamaha, and after all these years, I think Adam are the best for my choice. But it's again, once it's the same with headphones or speakers. Once you figured out the right frequency, when you get used to it, it doesn't matter what kind of speaker or headphones you have. When you will producing with the same headphones for 3 years, or you will know exactly how it needs to sound.
We have Adam. We have Adam in the shed. I'm a big fan of Adams.
Yeah, they're really nice. Then the fourth thing is maybe to listen other music much as you can to get a reference. And the last thing is to try to sound different, not like others. You need to listen a lot of other music to get a reference, but still try to sound different in the end. This is like a couple of beginner tips, which can help everyone, I think. So
what music do you like outside of dance music then? What's your inspirations?
Basically, I'm that kind of person who is opinion, if the track is good, it's good. It doesn't matter the style of music. I like also some pop tracks, some rock track. I like everything, but basically I grow up with hip hop. You can maybe hear that in my music. I'm a big fan of old school hip hop, like Dre beats, Eminem, this kind of stuff. I don't like the new trap rap version, but you can also find a good track. Like I said, if the track is good, it's good. It doesn't matter the style. So
wicked. And I have to go 5 things. Thank you for doing that, man. That was well cool.
It's a pleasure. Thanks.
Watch this video next for more tips for DJs and producers, and consider subscribing so you get these videos first. I have been Graham Farmer, and thanks for tuning in this week. See you next week. Bye-bye.